Greetings, dear viewers of the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Today, we'll be discussing a popular topic among RV enthusiasts, whether used RVs are worth buying. If you're considering purchasing an RV but are on a tight budget, buying a used unit could be a great option. However, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. One of the most significant advantages of buying a used RV is the potential cost savings. New RVs tend to depreciate quickly, so by purchasing a pre-owned unit, you can often find a well-maintained vehicle for a fraction of the cost of a new one. This extra money saved can be allocated towards upgrades or travel expenses. Another benefit of buying used is that many of the initial issues and quirks of an RV may have already been addressed by the previous owner. By taking the time to research and inspect used models thoroughly, you can find RVs that have been upgraded or modified to suit your specific needs. This can save you time and money compared to starting from scratch with a brand new RV. However, buying a used RV does come with some inherent risks. It's vital to thoroughly inspect the vehicle for any potential issues or hidden damages. Check for signs of leaks, water damage, and structural integrity. Additionally, be sure to review the RV's maintenance records and ask about any past accidents or repairs. One way to mitigate some of these risks is to purchase from a reputable dealer or work directly with the RV's previous owner. Dealers often provide warranties or have their mechanics inspect and certify pre-owned units, giving you added peace of mind. Communication and transparency are crucial when negotiating a deal, so be sure to ask plenty of questions and request additional photographs or videos if needed. In conclusion, used RVs can be a fantastic option for those looking to experience the RV lifestyle without breaking the bank. By thoroughly researching, inspecting, and communicating with sellers, you can find a used RV that meets your needs and provides countless memorable adventures. Thanks for tuning in to the Daily RV Life YouTube channel, and we'll see you soon with more exciting RV content. Happy travels!